Many vitamins you buy don't actually get into your muscles like they should. You might be swallowing pills every morning that never raise your antioxidant score even a single point. This scanner shows you the real numbers, like watching your score go from 25,000 to 115,000, and you'll know which supplements are pulling their weight and which ones are wasting your money. So, you might wonder, will it even work for someone like me? Whether you've never used supplements or you've got a cabinet full of them, whether your meals are all dialed in or you're still grabbing fast food between lifts, you'll see a shift. Why? Because oxidative stress is like tiny sparks inside your body that can hurt your cells, and it doesn't care if you PR your deadlift or hit zone 2 every day. It hides in your tissues, slowing your muscle repair and holding back your gains. That's where antioxidants come in. They're like little firefighters that help put out those sparks before they cause damage. Now you can scan your antioxidant score in seconds, see the exact number, and know when your body's really recovering. That's how you stop guessing and start seeing faster bounce back between WODs, fewer sore days, and stronger lifts week after week. That's how you really improve your training with proof, not hype.